Greetings everyone, welcome to another Perspectives podcast on Science Appreciated. If you are new here, this is where we use the power of science to enrich ourselves in a journey through the cosmos. My name is Lucas Winkleman. I'm the host of this podcast. Today we are going to ask the question, is science hidden from us? There is a problem about science, especially when it comes to the minuscule world of atoms. It is hard to see this realm with your own eyes. It is completely hidden from us. Just imagine how advanced a society would be if they could see science in all forms as it happens. So, how do we know things exist when we can't even see them? Well, math exists for this reason. Many like to consider math to be the language of the universe, as it likely holds the answers to the mysteries of the cosmos. If we can fully understand the human-designed universal language of math, then we can have the opportunity to fully calculate and predict the universe. Hello, thank you for visiting Science Appreciated. If you are new here, please feel free to hit the subscribe button below, but only if you learned something. Until next time, stay curious and never stop exploring. Thanks for visiting Science Appreciated. I appreciate you being here.